Kay Julius.
Sabi mo sa ano ba? Di ba pwede magpinunod? Kaya niya kasi na. Estudyante ka na sa estudyante. Okay, ano? Pinashare lang yun eh. Si Ching. Bali Ching. Ay, di ba?
Kilala yun, kilala ka.
Hindi ko alam yun. Saya, hindi ka alam eh. Ako ka daw magkaano. Kaya pumunta ka. Sige sir. Sige na.
Malapit na yun.
Galing sa
Hindi po. Ay, kinuha ko yung ready. Hindi parang
Grabe talaga si Robin. Grabe talaga si Robin.
Sabi-sabi lang.
Puno na pala yung muli niya. Hindi naman ang dapat. Doon sa DC ah.
Oo, nag-order ako. Pwede natin punta sa ano sa auditorium.
Dito na pala si Pro.
Mas malamig dun eh.
Malamig doon eh. Dito na pala si Pro. Yung Mayor Gutierrez.
Yung kayo na mga school na din.
Pangaraw mo.
Buti yata eh.
Si Pen, wala pa.
Wala akong may interview pa eh.
Ha?
May interview. Ay, sila yun. Contact.
Pwede na daw dun sa auditorium pumunta.
Hindi, si...
Hindi, doon na pupunta sa...
Pupunta.
Pupunta tayo.
Okay, no.
Darating na.
Yan, may ko siya sa bahay pero...
Yes, sir.
Ang sabi ng garden, nakiwait ko sa master. Hindi ko sinabi si Ding pero talagang didikit niya eh.
Wala akong
Kilala mo rin yung mga ano eh. Ngayon, meron.
Naka-spare ka.
May accident. Accident na yan. Accident na pagkakilip. Accident eh.
Hindi, kanino yung ano?
Kay Rolly.
Rolly Gutierrez. Bako sa bahay namin yun.
Oo.
Sabihin ko na makakalimutan ka sa Rolly Gutierrez kasi.
Oo, pareho ko kay Rolly tsaka Rolly.
Pinag-stay ko sa Pilipinas nila.
Marami siguro
Sama natin.
Ayun naman, kayo.
Hindi ako muna na Pilipinas. Wala.
Yes po.
Na-nominate ba yan? Nominated. Pero, nakalagay din sa akin.
So, good afternoon everyone and welcome to Calvario 2026. This is an exhibit featuring the 14 stations of the cross in preparation for the Holy Week. Today, we gather not only to witness art but to reflect on a journey of sacrifice, faith, and redemption. May this experience invite each of us in stillness, reflection, and deeper meaning. To begin our program, may I invite everyone to stand as we place ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Work has made a significant impact on Philippine art. He has held a retrospective exhibit in the National Commission of Culture and the Arts. He is a former professor at the CHS Fine Arts Department and previously served as Vice President of the Art Association of the Philippines. He has received several recognitions, including the NCCA 10 Outstanding Visual Artist Award in 1994 and the UST Outstanding Educator Award. His works have been exhibited both locally and abroad, including at the Cultural Center of the Philippines or NCCA Luz Gallery, Lopez Museum, and Ayala Museum. He has also been nominated for the prestigious National Artist Award. Now, may we call on our guest speaker, Professor Romeo Gutierrez.
Kami pa rin ang asukado ng sining dito. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una sa lahat, ako'y nagpapasalamat at ako'y naimbitahan dito ni Kasining Ray de la Peña, ano siya? And of course, kay Ding Rosales, na siya nag-curate na exhibit na to. And of course, Attorney Eric Mayonga for giving us the opportunity to exhibit here at his museum gallery. Thank you very much, Attorney. Calvary refers to Golgotha, the site of Jesus Christ's crucifixion in the New Testament. It is also known as the place of the skull. Golgotha, also as Calvary, is a hill in Jerusalem. Kasi gawa ng tao. Pag ginawa ng tao, siyempre may mali yan. Except for sinasabi na science is perfect. Kaya tinawag na science. Pero palagay nyo perfect din, hindi rin eh. Kahit science yan, may imperfections din yan. So art is not perfect or does not evolves around perfection. It is something that continues growing and developing to express emotions, thoughts of human capacities.
This is oil pastel on canvas, stretched canvas. So Denise Sarza, Ding Royales, and I, and our host, Gia Santos, would like to give this to you as a token of our appreciation to Professor Romeo Gutierrez. Thank you for your nice speech. Thank you for your nice words. Sir. Picture naman, picture.
Ano pa tayo?
Thank you lang ako sa lahat ng artist na nag-respond sa call. Ang gaganda ng gawa nyo. Sana susunod na exhibit ulit. Maraming sumali.
Paul Tindugan, Pen Medina, Rafi Zapanta, Ramon Sediego, Reynaldo de la Peña, Rodi Julian,
Picture taking. Picture taking. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, hila!